Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: quip, Q-U-I-P, sly, S-L-Y. Quip, a humorous and clever remark. Synonyms: banter, joke, fun, jest, jape, quirk, peculiarity, wisecrack, idiosyncrasy, mannerism, oddity. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: seriousness, flattery, sameness, misinterpret, misunderstand. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the minister responded to the journalist's questions with a clever quip. Sly, deceiving people in a clever way in order to get what you want. Synonyms: canny, impish, artful, cunning, shrewd, tricky, devious, sharp, crooked, sneaking, foxy, wily. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: artless, innocent, guileless, honest, naive, fair, frank, unbased, sincere, straightforward, transparent. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: nowadays salesmen are becoming sly. Unsullied, U-N-S-U-L-L-I-E-D. Condign, C-O-N-D-I-G-N. Unsullied, perfect, pure or not damaged. Synonyms: spotless, impeccable, untainted, unblemished, untarnished, fair, clean, stainless, immaculate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: dirty, filthy, fool, grubby, stained, soiled, sullied, besmirched. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Preeti pays all her bills on time, so her credit score is unsullied. Condign, deserved or appropriate or suitable, especially of punishment for wrongdoing. Synonyms: justified, merited, rightful, fair, just, competent, adequate, meet, equitable, warranted, blameless. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: undeserved, undue, unfair, unjust, scant, inaccurate, inappropriate, wrong. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the judge's job was to make sure that the sentence was condign for each crime. Queasy, Q-U-E-A-S-Y. Maul, M-A-U-L. Queasy, not feeling well or nauseous, feeling worried or unhappy. Synonyms: sick, ill, qualmish, unwell, dizzy, uncomfortable, fidgety, anxious, squeamish, restless. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: comfortable, healthy, content, happy, satisfied. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we felt queasy as soon as boat left the harbor. Maul, to physically attack and badly hurt a person or animal, or savage. Synonyms: lacerate, drug, maltreat, hit, manhandle, beat, scratch, thrash, bludgeon, bash, claw, tear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: protect, aid, assist, help, guard, maintain, nurture, take care. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: India mauled Japan 5-1 in Asia Cup hockey. Another example can be given: a small boy was mauled by street dog. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.